Hi, I'm Dana Boykin with Aviation Institute of Maintenance. I love what I do, and changing lives is what it's all about, and I can 100% say that I believe in the program. I know, without a shadow of doubt, that if you complete our program and take your certifications, that your life is going to be changed. Changing lives is the name of the game. We interview each potential student. We're looking for passion. We're looking for integrity, the right people that fit the industry. So it's really a career that they can learn by doing. So we also look for the hands-on type people that enjoy working with their hands, but take pride in what they do and believe in what they do as much as we believe in what we do. There's just a huge demand for aircraft maintenance technicians. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, they make a great living. I know a lot of people that have a degree, master's degree, bachelor's degree, that don't make that kind of money or have that earning potential. So it's definitely a high earning field with a very high demand. Who wouldn't want to go to a school that the companies are coming looking for our students? We've got great instructors. They all have their certifications themselves. We have several graduate instructors who actually work in the field in the daytime and then come teach at night. So, who better than someone who's actually graduated from here, went on and worked, and now is instructing. We have a couple of FAA inspectors that teach on the weekend. We have quality instructors across the board with the right experience. Most people are just looking for the right career for themselves, where they can be happy, enjoy what they do, and know that they're going to be able to be a good provider for their family. They're looking for that vehicle that's going to take them there. And we are the right vehicle. If someone puts their mind to it and wants to achieve this goal, if they get their A&P certification, they're set. I'm Dana Boykin with Aviation Institute of Maintenance, and we train tomorrow's technicians.